Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and credentials so nothing blocks the process. Once ready, open Settings and tap Screen Time. This takes you straight to the dashboard you want gone. Make sure you know the Screen Time passcode and are signed into your Apple ID, otherwise you will stall. If family sharing is active, know who manages the account. Now, locate the Share Across Devices option and the main Turn Off Screen Time control so you can act immediately. You now take the central action. Enter the Screen Time passcode and select Turn Off Screen Time. This removes the local dashboard and stops tracking. Once done, toggle Share Across Devices off to stop iCloud from restoring or keeping usage metrics across your devices. If the passcode is forgotten, use Apple ID recovery options or plan a device erase as a last resort. This is why backups matter. Make sure to confirm prompts. Do not skip any deletions that ask for confirmation. You finish by restarting the device and checking settings screen time to confirm the dashboard is gone. If family sharing was involved, remove or change the child account settings so their reports stop appearing. Make sure iCloud syncing is off across all linked devices, then wait a few minutes. iCloud propagation can take time. If data still appears, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, or contact Apple support. This single troubleshooting step resolves most stuck sync or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.